What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Laura's Cafe. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some classic buffalo wings. Alright, to make the classic buffalo wings, you're going to want to go to the store and pick up a package of chicken wingets. I like to use these chicken wingets because they're already cut. They're not too big and they're not too small. They're just ready to go. You can cut your own chicken, but I mean, this is a pretty good deal. You get quite a bit, you get a lot of pieces, and it's like $5 for the package. Okay. Then you're going to want to get a bottle of Frank's Red Hot, the original Frank's Red Hot. If it's too spicy for you, you can also include some butter. But we are just making the classic buffalo wing recipe right here. Okay, so for our buffalo wings, we're going to be deep frying them today. If you want, you can bake them in the oven. It takes about 3 times as long. I personally like to deep fry my wings, but the oven version is just as good. It just takes longer. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and set the deep fryer for 375 degrees. And we're going to be cooking these wings for about 10 minutes. You could go anywhere from 8 to 12 minutes. 12 is going to be probably too long. It's going to be super crispy. We're going to go for 10 because it's pretty crispy and they're cooked really well. Sometimes I'll go for 8 if I want them a little less crispy. But in this case, we're just going to go with really crispy and juicy. So we're going to go 375 for 10 minutes. So while the fryer is warming up, you're going to want to wash your hands. You can start placing the chicken in the basket, and you want to lay them next to each other, and you want to put them in your basket, but you don't want to fill the basket all the way up. You only want to fill up the basket about halfway, because you want to make sure that they all get completely dunked in the oil. And plus, putting too much chicken or putting too much of whatever into the basket and filling it up too much, the oil's probably going to spill out. You do not want that to happen. So I usually only just fill up the basket about halfway. Alright, so once you've finished loading up your basket with the chicken, I'm going to go ahead and put it into the hot oil. Make sure that the oil is ready to go. The green light's on, so that means that our oil is up to 375. And we're going to put this chicken in there for about 10 minutes. And we'll see you in 10 minutes. Okay, so alright, so while the wings are cooking up there, I just kind of wanted to go over the hot sauce here. This is the Frank's Red Hot Original Hot Sauce. This is the hot sauce that was used in the original recipe of the buffalo wings in New York, okay? Yep, it looks like our wings are done. You can kind of tell when they're ready to go because the bubbling and sizzling sound that you get from the fryer will be significantly less. Like, it'll stop making so much noise and it'll barely be bubbling. And then when you take a look at your wings, you can always tell when they're ready because they've browned. You're looking for like a golden brown color, which is what we got right here. I'm just using my phone camera, so you know the color's not too good, but there we go. So like with the shade, you can kind of see how they're like a golden brownish color. And as they kind of dry off from the oil, they get a little bit darker too. And so we're just gonna go ahead and let those kind of cool off a little bit because I don't have a stainless steel mixing bowl. Okay, so I gotta kind of let them cool off before I throw them in the plastic bowl because I don't want it to melt. Let me go ahead and pull that out real quick. Okay, so I've let the buffalo wings cool off a little bit, and as you can see, as they've cooled down, they've gotten a little bit darker in color. They are a perfect golden brown color. That is like the perfect color right there. I know that those are going to be juicy and crispy. Those are like perfect right there. So we're going to go ahead and get those, and we're going to dump them into our bowl. Okay. I got a plastic bowl, which is why I kind of let the wings cool off a little bit first. If you got a stainless steel bowl, you could pull them right out of the fryer and dump them right into the bowl. It's really fast that way. I need to get one of those. Anyway, so there it is. You got your wings there. You're going to get your hot sauce. And this is the best part of the whole thing. You're going to take your hot sauce and you're just going to drizzle it all over the wings, okay? Just like that. Boom. There's no butter. There's no nothing. These are a perfect medium to hottish sauce right here. If you want them more mild, you can add butter. Okay? So you want to go ahead and flip your wings. Okay, and toss them in the bowl. Get them nice and coated with hot sauce. Those are going to be so good right there. So I'm going to go ahead and get those, and I'm going to go ahead and put them on a plate, and I'll be right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I finished tossing the wings in the Frank's hot sauce, and I put them on a plate, and there they are. Classic buffalo wings. Those are the original classic buffalo wings right there. And let me tell you, they are delicious. Alright, so thank you for watching Laura's Cafe. If you want to see future videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be having a lot more recipes coming soon, and we hope to see you then. Have a good one.